answer $1 million question today. How to introduce yourself in an interview. Hi friends, I'm Supriya Kasad, your UX writing buddy, and today we are going to discuss how to effectively introduce yourself in the interview. Whether you are a fresher or an experienced professional, interviewers expect your introduction in the interview. And that is your chance to create that first best impression about you. So here are a few tips for that. First, wear your confidence. Be confident. Second, keep it short and simple. Third, don't talk about what is already mentioned in your resume. Fourth, highlight your skills, your experience, expertise, and the process that you followed. So, follow these few tips, and you're definitely going to crush the interview. Now, let's see how you can introduce yourself as a fresher. So, you need to consider a few things in your introduction. First is your academic qualification and the institute from which you completed your degree. Second, share the topic that you chose for your project. Then the process that you followed while working on the project. What were your learnings from that project? And if you have worked on any case studies or other stuff, share that as well. And which skills you utilized for this project. And last is what are your aspirations. So if you add these things in your introduction, you are done. Let's see an example of this. Let's assume that you have applied for a position of UX writer as a fresher, and now this is your first round of interview and you are asked for your introduction. So this is how you can go. I have completed my graduation in so and so subject from XYZ Institute. After that, I completed a course in UX writing, and during that course, I worked on a project wherein I designed content for onboarding journey of an e-commerce application. And during that project, I have followed all the steps in design thinking, right from empathizing with users to usability testing. And I thoroughly enjoyed that process. And I found it so fascinating that how a simple word or small content pieces can impact an experience to such a level. And that's when I was firm that I want to be a UX writer and create that impact on user experiences. So I'm looking for an opportunity wherein I can utilize my skills, my learnings from my project, and also get to learn more from my fellow designers, design engineers, product managers, and other writers. That's all in brief about me. So you see, in less than a minute, you have talked about your academic qualification, your skills, your learnings, your project, and your aspirations as well. If you follow these things, you're definitely gonna crush it. Now let's assume that if you are an experienced professional, then how you will introduce yourself. So you need to consider a few things in your introduction. Those are your total experience and relevant experience. Because I'm assuming most of the UX writers come from different fields like content writing, creative writing, copywriting, or even I have seen some designers, developers also moving into UX writing. So tell about your total experience and relevant experience. Then the different domains and industries that you have worked with, your current designation and current company, then the stakeholders that you have worked with, the process that you follow for UX writing, and your learnings, experience, and expertise in brief. So here as well, in less than a minute, you can introduce and you can tell everything about you right from your first job till today. So let's assume that you are being interviewed for a position of lead UX writer, and this is how you can introduce yourself then. I have total 8 years of experience into content writing, out of which 5 years is into UX writing. And I have worked with different industries like fintech, education industry, wellness industry, and healthcare industry. And I work closely with the product designers, product managers, design engineers, and all. And I'm involved right from the beginning, that is from user research, ideation, brainstorming, conceptualization, solutioning, and usability testing as well. So I enjoy this process. I'm not a kind of writer who comes into picture when the designs are ready and will just insert the content or text into the designs. I enjoy and I love co-designing experiences through language. So yeah, this is brief about me. So you see, in less than a minute, you gave all your history, like what is your experience, your expertise, the process that you follow, the stakeholders you work with, and the industries you have worked with. So they will get a complete idea about you, and you are gonna crush it. So, guys, though I gave examples of UX writers, even if you are a UX designer, UI designer, a graphic designer, or a design engineer, developer, whichever field you are in, you can use this format for introduction and just can tweak it as per your requirement. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. Try this out and let me know your experience in the comment box. Thank you guys. See you again with another topic. Till then, bye bye. Happy writing.